Ayan guys, welcome to another episode of Quiz Me with Quibski. Ako pala inyong host, yung AWS Community Hero. Yan, may badge po ako. Yan. Nandito yung ating guest na si Jambi. Jambi, pakilala ka naman, ano trabaho mo?
Hi, I'm Jambi and I work for an e-commerce startup called Beauty-M&L. So the ladies probably heard of it. So I worked as an infrastructure engineer in Beauty-M&L. So essentially ako yung nag-manage ng AWS resources din.
I see. Sorry guys, in-adjust ko yung position kasi may nakita sa background natin. Kailangan ko pa i-blur mamaya yung face niya kasi hindi tayo nagpaalam sa kanya. Ayan. So Jambi, dito, certified ka ba?
Yes, AWS.
Ayun. Lahat ng guests natin so far guys, certified. Anong certifications mo?
So I earned yung AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate ko last year.
Last year.
And I also earned yung Certified Developer Associate ko this year.
Developer this year. Ayan, may dumaan na naman. Kailangan ko i-blur again.
Parang nasa newsroom lang tayo,
Nasa newsroom. Okay. Jambi, since bagong parang almost 1 year ka pa lang nag-SA, no? Before that, ano yung background mo?
Actually, weird nga kasi I started as a BS Economics graduate. So, syempre gusto ko talaga maging programmer. So, nag-take ako ng 10 computer science subjects. So, ginamit ko lahat ng electives ko. So, yun. Tapos nakakuha ako ng part-time job habang college ako. Tapos doon ako nakapag-transition to being a developer.
Wow.
Full stack developer. So, inabsorb ako nung internship place ko. So, I got into Beauty-M&L. So, eventually, nag-transition ako to infrastructure engineering role kasi yung boss ko umalis. So, nawalan kami ng someone who knows AWS.
I see. Yung boss mo na ba yan? Naging guest ba yan dito sa show natin? May blind item yan. Naging guest ba yan dito?
Possible.
Parang kilala ko yun.
Feel ko kilala niyo.
Feeling natin. No? So, check nyo na lang baka i-link ko dito sa baba kung sino yun. No? Boss na yan. So, na-enjoy mo naman yung pag-alis niya kasi na-enjoy mo yung bagong role mo?
Nung una syempre natatakot ako, parang baka ma-down namin, bura yung database, ganyan. Pero eventually, parang sabi ko kailangan kong mag-aral, kailangan kong maging confident in handling AWS. So, doon ko na-stumble upon na, wait, I have to get a certification.
I see.
Kasi yun yung validation that will give me the confidence na I can touch stuff in AWS, yung sa AWS production account namin, without the danger na parang may masisira ako, ganyan, or parang pag pinindot ko to, lalaki yung bill, ganyan.
Tama.
Kaya doon ako na-encourage na, mag-take kaya ako ng certification.
Alright, and yun nga, successful naman.
Yes.
So, salamat sa pag-alis mo, boss. Kasi may bagong certified tayo ulit. Okay, so ito naman, may random questions kami para sa'yo. Totally random to. So, babasahin ko yung question, tapos basahin mo yung answers. And then, good luck na lang. Okay, ready?
Ready.
Alright, ready. Ito na. First question. You work for a large telecommunications company. Tulad dito, no, sa Pilipinas, meron tayong dalawa. Ngayon, supporting their main customer billing application, which runs on a number of load-balanced EC2 instances and writes millions of records per second to an Aurora database. Last month, you onboarded a large new customer, and the billing department are now complaining about poor performance of the platform when generating customer bills, which is a write-heavy operation, making the multiple additional updates to the database. CloudWatch is reporting 100% CPU utilization for Aurora. What can you do to improve performance of your application? What can you do on performance of your application? No? Ayan, ito na yung mga options mo. Pabasa naman.
So, option 1 is configure Aurora as a multi-AZ. So, I don't think yan yun. Kasi, pag ginawa mo multi-AZ yung database, it increases reliability. So, pag nag-down yung isang AZ, meron ka pang isang AZ na nandun yung database.
I see.
So, hindi na 1. So, 2, increase the size of your Aurora instance. Possible to. Kasi pag in-increase mo yung size, lalaki yung CPU capacity niya, yung compute capacity niya.
I see.
So, pwede yun. Tapos, add a read replica. So, yun yung number 3. So, I don't think yan. Kasi sabi sa question is, write-heavy operation.
Ayun, write-heavy.
So, may mga keywords na ganyan, sir, yan usually nakaka-trip off sa exam.
I see.
So, I guess, hindi na talaga number 3. So, number 4, increase the size of your application server instances. So, sabi kasi, CloudWatch is reporting 100% CPU utilization for Aurora. So, hindi yung 4 kasi server instances yung nilalakyan niya.
So, yung sinasabi number 4 dito, yung EC2.
Yung EC2.
Oo, kasi application and services. No? Walang Aurora. Ano bang Aurora?
Aurora, ano ba siyang, yung the way I understand it is si AWS got like, kasi open source yung mga databases like si MySQL, si Postgre. So, kinuha niya yung component ni Postgre, tapos inalter niya yung behavior nun, na parang maging more AWS native yung behavior.
I see. So, Aurora database.
Database.
Kaya si number 4 kasi EC2 application. So, ang tinatanong database. Right. So, ang sagot mo dito, nadaanan natin lahat ng ng options.
Yung sagot ko is number 2.
Number 2. Sure ka na? Number 2, no?
Yes.
Alright. Tingnan natin if number 2, guys. Off to a good start ba? Yun, drum roll. Yes. Okay. Mark as red ko to. Ba't lumabas yun? Okay, yes. Tama yun. Next question. Ang haba ng mga questions mo. Swerte ka. Okay. You have launched a new web application on AWS using API Gateway, Lambda, and S3. Someone posts a thread to Reddit about your application and it starts to go viral. Yes. Sana ay maging viral din tong video na to, no? You start receiving 10,000 requests every seconds and you notice that your most requests are similar. Your web application begins to struggle. What can you do to optimize performance of your application? Number 1. Yun, ito na yung options mo.
Number 1, enable API gateway caching to cache frequent requests. So very possible yan.
Very possible.
Kasi si API gateway may caching talaga na pwede niyang i-store yung mga responses tas kukunin na lang doon. So ma-offload yung load. So pwede yun. Enable API gateway accelerator. I think medyo misnomer tong option na to. Kasi I think yung totoo is DynamoDB accelerator. Pero ayan, di ako sure.
Yung DAX, no?
Yeah, DAX yung I think it's mini-mention nito. Tapos yung 3 is migrate your API gateway to a network load balancer and enable sticky sessions for all sessions. Parang masyadong maraming work to, sir.
Masyadong maraming work, oo.
Kasi ang ganda na ng infra natin, naka-API gateway na tayo eh. Tapos ibabalik pa natin sa network level yung load balancing. So parang marami tayong functionality na nawala just to accommodate yung ganung kalaking traffic.
I see.
So pwede itong gawin, pero I don't advise it kasi parang tinanggal mo lahat ng maganda features ni API Gateway.
Plus, paano ba siya makakatulong sa request kung naging session sticky, parang hindi siya nakaka-answer masyado sa problem, no?
Yeah. Tapos yung 4 is change your Route 53 alias record to point to an AWS Neptune and then configure Neptune to filter your API requests to genuine requests only.
Ayun.
Wow, medyo maraming work to, sir.
Maraming work.
I think Neptune is parang some special kind of database.
Yes, si Neptune, yung graph database ni AWS.
So I don't think makakatulong siya. Kasi parang more on the number of requests na pare-pareho lang.
Parang gusto nga niya minsan, baka gusto niya move ka sa ibang, baka gusto niya i-try mag-GraphQL, what no? Pero hindi siya directly nakaka-answer sa question.
Yes.
So, ang answer mo dito ay?
Yung answer ko dito ay number 1.
Number 1. Tingnan natin if number 1 ba, guys? Yan, may drum roll. Yes, tama. Okay, good. Okay, next question. Yan, ang haba ulit. Favorite ka na mahaba. Ikaw yung guest na puro mahaba yung tanong. No? You work in a genomics industry and you process large amounts of genomic data using a nightly elastic MapReduce EMR job. This job processes a single 3 terabyte file which is stored on S3. The EMR job runs on 3 on-demand core nodes and 4 on-demand task nodes. The EMR job is now taking longer than anticipated, and you have been asked to advise on how to reduce the completion time. Which of the following would you suggest? Yan. So EMR, Elastic MapReduce. Ako personally, hindi ko pa nagamit to. Ikaw, may experience ka sa EMR?
Ano lang, sir, yung mga hands-on lang sa pag nagre-review.
Hands-on labs lang. Oo. Okay. Ito na yung options mo.
1. Use 4 spot instances for the task nodes rather than 4 on-demand instances. So, I guess ito yung more on the cost consideration.
Cost consideration to. Ano ba ang tanong?
Kasi ang tanong, paano mo mapapabilis? Like, what can you do to improve performance? So, I don't think ito yung tamang tanong.
I see.
At tamang sagot.
Tamang sagot.
Although, I'll probably do this too. Kasi, para makasave ako. Pero, hindi ito yung nag-answer ng question.
Tama. Pwede.
Tapos isa, you should reduce the input split size in the MapReduce job configuration, then adjust the number of simultaneous mapper tasks so that more tasks can be processed at once. Wow! Medyo deep dive to, sir.
Deep dive.
Pero feel ko, medyo possible to. Kasi, sa pagkaintindi ko, sir, parang mas malaki yung hati. Kasi, parang sabi sa kanina, 3 nodes, diba? Processing 3 terabytes. So, 1 terabyte per node yun. So, imagine mo, gawin mong 6 nodes. So, magiging na lang, 500 gig per node. So, mas mabilis na mapaprocess.
Mas mabilis.
So, very possible.
Possible. Okay.
Yung 3, store the file on Elastic File Service instead of S3. Then, mount EFS as an independent volume for your core nodes. So, ito, sir, parang masyadong maraming work, pero wala masyadong reward in terms of this question. Kasi for me, yung EFS ginagamit kapag yung files gusto mo mas mabilis ma-access.
Yes.
Tapos gusto mo marami kang EC2 instances. Tapos gusto mo ma-access ng mga EC2 instances mo. So parang single hard drive siya na maraming EC2 instances.
Parang network attached storage na.
So I don't think ito yun, sir.
Okay.
Tapos yung 4, configure an independent VPC in which to run the EMR jobs. Then, mount EFS as an independent volume for your core nodes. So, parang marami rin siyang ginawa. Parang pinagawa ka pa niya bagong VPC para ilagay mo yung EMR job doon. So, parang hindi ito, sir.
Okay. So, anong final answer mo?
Final answer ko is number 2.
Number 2, ang final answer.
Ako, sana tama.
Pero yung nga, sabi mo, ako din personally, siguro kung real life scenario to, yung 1, 2, and 3 gagawin ko. Parang, baka may savings overall, no? Sa performance, storage, ganyan. Pero dahil sa tanong, ang tanong ay, tinatanong, efficiency. So, number 2 siguro yung sagot. Tingnan natin, number 2 nga ba? Ayun, tama pa rin, number 2. Okay, next question.
Actually, sir, madaming ganyan na tanong sa AWS exam. Parang, maraming tama, lahat tama. Saan yung pinaka-appropriate?
Pinaka-appropriate, okay. Kasi tama naman, pwede naman talaga gawin yung ibang choices, no? Okay. Next, your S3 back website. Kasi sa AWS, pwede mag-host si S3 ng website, no? Is consistently receiving over 400 read requests per second and is steadily rising. What can you do to achieve the best performance as your traffic to your website continues to increase? Number 1.
Yun. Anong gandang question to, sir? So, kasi yung mga tao, ini-imagine nila unlimited yung S3. Pero eventually, mag-hit ka ng limit, mabagal siya. So, yung first option is add a hex hash suffix to the key name of your S3 objects. So, ito medyo pa pwede kasi kapag nag-add ka ng hex hash suffix, napupunta sa ibang partition yung S3 file mo. So, pwede.
Pwede, park natin yan. Parang may chance.
Yung number 2 is configure an additional bucket and distribute the files evenly between the 2 buckets. So, parang additional work pa to kasi ihiwalay mo eh. So, I don't think this one.
Hindi nag-give ng additional IOPS pag different bucket.
Paano kasi kung may isang file lang na nandun lang sa bucket A, tapos yun lang parating
I
na-access.
see, tama. Number 3?
Number 3, add a hex hash prefix to the key name of your S3 object.
Parang pareho sa number 1. Yung isa suffix, yung isa prefix.
Ay, okay. So, yung suffix kanina, walang effect yun. So, pareho silang S3 partition. Kasi suffix nasa dulo eh. So, parang hindi makakatulong yung suffix.
Konti lang yung tulong niya if ever makakatulong man. For you, mas nakakatulong tong number 3,
yung
prefix. Bakit prefix?
Kasi titignan niya yung sa start nung file eh. Para ma-identify niya yung partition eh, hindi yung sa dulo.
So, randomize.
Yung sa dulo, titignan niya pa rin yung sa start. So, paano kung pare-parehong A yung files mo? So, wala, same sila partition.
Okay. Number 4?
Number 4, configure a CloudFront CDN and use the S3 bucket as the origin. So, I think, sir, ito na talaga. Ito yung best answer. Kasi ginagawa namin ito sa work eh. Na naka-CloudFront CDN talaga kami. So, CDN kasi, di ba, Content Distribution Network, naka-cache siya. So, and mas malapit siya dun sa customer mo. So, mas mabilis masaserve yung requests aside from giving you other security features. So, I think number 4 talaga.
Number 4. Final answer na?
Yes.
Akala ko kasi number 3 yung sagot mo.
Yun nga, medyo, Pero ganun talaga sa exam. Parang medyo tama rin naman yung 3. Pero, best talaga yung 4.
Best answer yung 4. Sige, tingnan natin if tama yung number 4 na choice. Best answer nga ba? Best answer nga. Yes. Buti na lang walang, sa show natin walang pick 2, no? Kung pick 2, pipiliin mo yung...
Pipiliin ko rin yung...
Pipiliin mo rin isa. Okay, one last question. Ito na.
Uy.
Maikli na. Chance. Yan, true or false pa. Sobrang iksi. So, ang binigay sa'yo ay, DynamoDB is a NoSQL database provided by AWS. True or false? Napakasimple lang tanong na.
Ano siya? True.
True.
Yes.
Ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng NoSQL?
NoSQL is paano ba to? So wala siyang hindi siya nag-a-assert ng schema. Na kasi 'di ba yung SQL databases, nag-a-assert siya na dapat merong name, dapat merong currency, dapat merong
so may columns, may attributes, fixed attributes.
Tapos kung babaguhin mo 'yun, gagawa ka ng migration, 'di ba? So I don't think so yung NoSQL na database is another type of database na parang puro JSON lang siya. Na mas relatively free yung schema. Tapos meron lang indexes na para you can search through yung document faster.
I see. So ang sagot mo dito ay?
True.
True, no? Parang tinan natin kung perfect din.
Yes.
Ang ating guess. Perfect, guys. Ano ba ang use case ng NoSQL? Kailan mo ginagamit usually? O better use case ang NoSQL versus SQL?
I think, better siya kapag yung app mo talaga naka-built on Lambda. Tapos sobrang concurrent nung workload mo na parang sabay-sabay may 8,000 requests per second na mag-hit dun sa service mo. Maganda yung DynamoDB kasi very friendly siya sa concurrency.
I see.
As opposed dun sa SQL databases.
Yung Lambda pala guys, serverless. Function as a service yun. Gamit ni AWS. Right, okay. So, bago tayo mag-end ng ating show, no? Anong advice mo sa ating viewers na, I guess, magte-take ng exam din?
So, sa magte-take ng exam, wag niyong kalimutan yung hands-on. Kasi very important yun. So kung mag-aaral kayo, mag-hands-on nyo talaga yung services. Tapos, basahin nyo yung docs. Huwag kayo matakot dun sa docs. Kasi nung unang sir, natakot ako sa docs. Parang, ang daunting, ang laki, ang dami. Pero, eventually, pag binasa mo, parang in simple terms naman yung docs eh. So, basahin mo lang yung docs, tapos try mo lang yun nandun. May mga exercises siya na pwede mo i-try eh. Tapos, eventually, masasanay ka na.
I see. Anong, may particular labs ka bang ginagamit or own account, AWS account ginagamit mo mostly?
Nagla-labs ako, sir, sa A-Cloud Guru.
A-Cloud Guru. Yun yung fina-follow mo.
Tsaka Linux Academy.
At Linux Academy. Okay. I think yun nga yung very too popular resource out there. Pero actually, madami pang resources guys, no? Pero maganda yun. Alright, okay. So, yun na yung ating episode. Thank you and bye-bye. Like and subscribe pala, guys. Bye! Yay!